Chapter 1, Quadratic Functions and Equations in One Variable. So in this lesson, is going towards the application of quadratic functions and equations. And I hope you still remember the general equation for quadratic functions and also the general equation for quadratic equations. Okay, so the general equation for quadratic function is y equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. And then the general equation for quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. So today we'll learn how to form this based on the application and example. So this is the quadratic equation. So let us see the first example. Okay, form a quadratic function. Okay, quadratic function, which is this one. For the area, we can use the symbol A of shape P and also the shape Q. So we do the shape P first. Okay, area of P equal to, length times width, right? Okay, so x times x. Okay, x times x, you can get x squared. So this is the quadratic function. Okay, you can write a unit here. Because cm times cm, you get cm squared. This is the unit. And this is the quadratic function. Okay, for this question, area of Q x times x plus 5. You can multiply inside. Okay, so x times x, you get x squared. X times 5, you get 5x. So this is the quadratic function. And then unit is cm squared. Okay, so you managed to see to form the quadratic function. Okay, and then this quadratic function, you will see the relationship between area and also the x. Okay, like when x is 1, what is the value of a? If x is 2, what is the value of a? Okay. Okay, so second example, form a quadratic equation. Okay, this one, quadratic equation for the area of P and also Q. Okay, for P, the area of P is given 36. Okay, area of P is 36. For Q, also given area AQ is 66. Okay. Okay, so first we form the quadratic function first. So AP equal to x times x, AP equal to x squared. Okay, now we know the value of AP, we can substitute AP inside. 36 equal to x squared. Okay, remember the general equation, x squared must at the front, right? You see at the front, at the left side of the equal sign. So we can move here. 36 equal to x squared, so x squared must be equal to 36. So this is the, we better let this side equal to 0. So x squared minus 36 is 0. Okay? Because based on the general equation, so A is 1, B is 0, C is minus 36. Okay? Because we move positive number here, so positive number move to the another side, we will get negative number. Okay, so this is the quadratic equation. Okay, we solve the same thing for Q. Area of Q is equal to x plus 5. And then you multiply inside x squared plus 5x. This is your AQ. Okay, so this is your quadratic function, but we we can form a quadratic equation because we know the value of AQ. AQ is 66 equal to a squared plus 5x. We need to let this side equal to 0, so we move 66 to this side. Okay, we need to move 66 to this side. So if we move this, here we come nothing. Okay, here we have x squared plus 5x and a new friend 66. Positive 66 move here become negative 66. Okay, so this is the quadratic equation. So we can change the side. Okay, left side change to right side equal 0. So this is the answer. You can compare to the general equation x squared plus bx plus c equals 0. You can see a is 1, b is 5, c is negative 66. Okay, you don't have to write this. This is your final answer. Okay, so today you learn about how to form the quadratic function and quadratic equation based on the given example. And thanks for watching.